Using the data that you collected, the distance and the angle from each side, you're going to draw a beach profile. You need a ruler and you need a protractor. You also need to create a scale. So let's say that for your beach profile, 1 meter at the beach equals 1 centimeter on the paper. And we can draw a baseline first. And from that baseline, we'll measure the angles and draw the profile. So my first angle was at 8.8 degrees. So I align my origin. My 8.8, this is 10, so this is 9, this is 8, so somewhere over here is my 8.8 degree angle. Now for that first side, so this is gonna be side 1. Say it's right over here. Double check that my angle is right. Okay. So the distance between side 1 and side 2, I measured to be 6.16 meters. And if every meter is 1 centimeter, this is going to be 6.16 centimeters. So let's measure that with the ruler. So that would be around here, which means that when I draw my angle, I have to stop at this line. So this is side 2. Now the distance between side 2 and side 3 was 5 meters and my angle was at 2.0. So 5 meters would be 5 centimeters. So around here. And my angle of 2 degrees okay, 2 degrees. So then I draw my profile up to this angle to side 3. Then side 4 and side 3 were 5 meters and 60 centimeters apart. So that would be right here. And I measured a 6.7 degree angle plus or minus 2. So let's put the angle there. And that was the distance. And then side 5 was at 4.5 meters away from side 4. So that would be 4.5 centimeters. So that would be my side 5. And it was at an angle of 21.6 degrees. So I gotta measure that angle. It's 20, 21 and a little bit, 21.6. So now I draw my angle. And that's my beach profile. And then you can add some features. You know that at the edge you had the boulders at the edge of the beach. To prevent the erosion of that boardwalk and the cliffs behind it. This inclination here is your beach scarp. The berm would be in this area here. It's been eroded, so we can even say eroded berm, because this is the profile that you did during November, so we can add the date up here. So November 22, right? And so let's add the title for this is New Brighton State Beach. We know that here we have the water. This is the water line. And this whole part is your foreshore, which in the winter time or close to the winter time is already pretty flat, with the berm already pretty eroded. And we saw some features along this foreshore. We saw some current ripples down at this area that was exposed during the low tide. We saw backwash diamonds all over the foreshore before the beach scarp. We also saw magnetite minerals all over. We didn't see any pinholes, and we also didn't see any wind ripples because there's no sand dunes in this beach.